siding. All right, so we'll come in here, automate, batch, choose the folder for siding. That's where we're grabbing all the original images. We're gonna type in siding. We gotta choose where we wanna save, the destination, and click new folder, 1080 WebP, enter that in, choose. Now we're running that. It's gonna run through all those photos. We'll see those popping in also here. We go down to siding. There they are coming in. Let's see how many photos we're doing today on that one. 36 photos. I should mention you could do all these photos at once if you put them all in one folder. The reason we're doing it separate is because we want to label each photo for the actual service for this contractor. We don't want them just to be called Home Builder 1 through 200 or whatever photos that we're doing here today. Okay, so let's see if that one's done. It's still going. Or nope, that one is done. Okay, so now we can use those all there for the website. And now this website will load a lot faster. We'll have better images to use. And so if you like this video, like below, leave a comment what type of photos you are trying to optimize, what websites you're building, what type of projects you're using that you need to use Photoshop and you're editing a bunch of photos at once. I hope this was helpful. Again, if you like this, leave a comment. We'll try to create more videos like this. Thank you for your time. Bye.